afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. It is Tuesday, February 25th. I want to talk about a couple of stocks that we've been talking about and a couple that we haven't been talking about, but we will now. All right, XOMA, we did a video on this one and talking about the consolidation and the consolidation blocks. You have different stepping stones on these moves, and we got the 50-day moving average, and one of our moderators is monitoring this and caught it, and it's doing really well. It's up $2.26 since his last mention. It did break out of the consolidation box now, and that will act as support for the next move higher. So XOMA looks really good on increased volume to move to the upside. Looks really good. Okay, another one that we want to take a look at is PIR. PIR is in this channel right now and has broken above this box here for the first stage, and it's doing fantastic. Okay, so we broke out of that. Now we're over in this area, and we have the middle bully that's acting as support. Had a nice move today, nice little pop, nice volume. All the volume's coming in nice and solid. This box will actually act as support now if there's any downtrend in place. If not, it comes back inside the box and trades inside this box, and these are your bottoms. So it's that simple. Don't overthink it. Just think about it. All right, 50-day moving average is sitting here at 2046. You get the 100 at 2075, and then you get the 200 sitting here at 2193 with an upper gap to get filled on PIR sitting over here at 2288 from here is pretty good. So keep an eye on PIR for a continued move. PRAN we were talking about, and this was yesterday. And you broke the 50-day over here, and you broke the middle bully right here, and we're starting to get legs to move to the upside. PRAN looks really good right now. Broke the downtrend, the current downtrend that it was in, and the volume is light, but it's moving. I think it broke the downtrend. I'll take the top of these candles here. We'll go off the wicks. Okay. All right, so that's why it stopped today. So it hit the wick. It didn't break the downtrend yet. It looks like we need 1 or 2 more days before we get conviction to break out to the upside, but it's definitely going on the right path. If you want to use the body of the candles, some people do it that way. You can do that and say it's a breakout, but who knows? Use your last higher body. But right now, I would use the tops of the wicks because that's what it's using, and look for this to get continued volume to move to the upside. Still very oversold, plenty of room to move forward. So PRAN looks pretty good for another move. All right, taking a look at GALT. GALT had a volume breakout today and really moved very nice today, up 17%, $2.65. And this one is on a mission now. This was a big break for it, and it's sitting in this consolidation zone right here. Whoops. Sitting in this consolidation box right here, and get out of the consolidation box, and really took a shot to the upside, and tested this high right here, this one here, and actually broke through it. So you're going to see GALT going a little bit higher here. Is definitely wants to move. Relative strength index is a little bit high right now, but the volume is there, and this thing's pushing forward. Another way to look at this for a potential area is you can run off these candles somewhere in here and set it up for a potential move, off that. So maybe 20 plus now that we're out of that break, and just keep an eye on it. It's looking really good. That's a solid chart, and some big volume came into it. I don't know if there was any news or anything. So let's take a look at Pandora. Pandora just doesn't want to stop. It just keeps going up and up and up and up. A little pullback today. It's still in this nice little consolidation area, but once it gets out of it, she could really move to the upside. And once she gets rolling here, because the dips aren't coming down to the bottom of these. I'll put this right here. I'll use the top of that one. And it's not coming down to the bottom of this consolidation area. You can actually come up here and use this as your consolidation area with these 5 candles right here. If it does break below that, I would look for this double bottom here and just drop this down a little bit more to use that as protection area. But at the same time, it's the 50 days going up, the 100 days going up, the middle bully's going up. It did pierce the upper Bollinger Band today, pulled back down on the inside, and did close above yesterday. So P looks good for continued growth. Relative strength index is at 58, increased volume, and she looks solid. So keep an eye on that one. XON had a nice move today also. XON, it's had a huge downtrend, and today that changed. We moved right through and broke the candles, broke the 50-day moving average after this double bottom was in from yesterday, and it moved $3 somewhere in that area, $2.99. Broke the 50. Now it's going to come up and test the middle Bollinger Band. Relative Strength Index is only at 34, so this one could get a move all the way up to this area again, maybe this double top right here. It's set up that way. Make sure it's not a head fake. This is huge volume. Could have been a short cover. If it holds this 50-day moving average and this trend line, then this should start making a full turn to the upside and grow this way, right back up again. So keep an eye on XON also for a big move to the upside. This one's looking really good, and it's very oversold. IRBT possibly short. It's still okay right here, but it's coming close to this consolidation box. Let me extend some lines here. And it's going to make a decision here on what it's going to do real soon. So I want you to keep an eye on that. You might be able to take a scalp to the downside on it. It can't get over this box, and it can't get under this box. So these are nice bottoms. You got a triple bottom set in place right now. But if it does fall through this tomorrow or the next day, look for your support to come in over here, down here at this candle here, and that's right around $40. So a $4 move potentially before a bounce. Relative Strength Index is at 75, so it does need a little bit of a break, and your Arun is trending to the downside. If it breaks below this, look for your middle bully to be support. They usually turn out to be support. Okay, members, we have a great video tonight. Many stocks we've talked about in the past. We're going to take a look at the Dow, the S&P 500, and see what kind of manipulation is going on there. This is Matt from Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. If you are not a member, please join, because live chat is great, and the website is full of information and full of videos that'll definitely benefit your trading styles and being able to pick tops and bottoms and entries and everything else. So everyone, have yourself a great night, and we'll do this again tomorrow.